So this is day one of our historic heat wave. It's 7:30 in the morning here, and 75 degrees at my house, which is very, very hot for this time of day. A lot of times when we have weather where, you know, it'd be in the 80s, we won't hit 75 until after lunch. So, you know, the bananas are gonna like it, as long as it doesn't get windy, because we do tend to get dry, desiccating winds. So today, they are saying, as of this morning, 106. So if we hit 106, we will not have hit the all-time record. The all-time record is 107. But everything's looking pretty good. The only damage, because we have had yesterday was in the upper 90s, and we have had very little rain and has been hot and dry. The only damage that I'm really seeing is on Fatsias. You can kind of see that right here. A lot of times they kind of turn black on the tips. So this is the only damage that seems to be apparent right now. There used to be some big trees there that provided more shade up until this year, so they're gone. And so these guys get hit with some pretty intense afternoon sun. And you can see some of the leaves are yellowing over there. There's some kind of burnt out ones, but so far we're looking pretty good. But I can tell you that Jubei is loving it. This spear has been just moving along very quickly. And same thing with the Brahia Armata. Last week, that spear was like hidden. I couldn't even see it down inside of there. So it's grown a few inches, but things like the hostas and that, I mean, these ones actually get shade now, so they should be okay. But day one, there's Mr. Chester. He's happy now. He won't be happy later with the heat. He's a winter dog, so. We'll see how it goes. Post a video each day. Let's kind of recap what temperature we got to. See, there's a little more damage right there. And how we're doing. But last night you can kind of see I've been watering just to really make sure my soil's nice and moist and have the plants well hydrated for when this hits, because it's a little bit outside the norm of what they're accustomed to seeing. But many of these plants come from areas that get hot temps like that, so I'm not expecting anything really terrible to happen.